This video covers how you can confirm your Pi wallet or create a new wallet. You do not necessarily need to wait for this message you see on the screen here before you can verify your wallet or before you can change or create a new wallet. Now, in order to do this, first you will have to go to the menu section, which is this button here. Now you select the Mainnet, okay? Then on the Mainnet page, you go down straight to where we have the Mainnet checklist. Now you scroll to where you have confirm your Pi wallet. Now before doing this, you ensure that you have gone to Play Store and already you have downloaded the Pi browser. Okay, now let's take, for instance, if I want to confirm this, I'll just hit on this confirm your Pi wallet. Then I will go and get the 24-word passphrase, which was given to me when I created the old wallet. Okay, so you should make sure that you have your 24 passphrase. That is your recovery phrase that gives you access to your account. Now, if maybe you were not lucky and you lost your 24-word passphrase, now what it means is you will have to create a new wallet. I don't know whether you understand. You will have to create a new wallet. So to go ahead with confirming your Pi wallet, I'll still come back to how you can create a new wallet. So if you still have your 24-word phrase, this is where you are going to paste it. And once you paste it here, you click on confirm your wallet. Now let me get my passphrase and paste it here. Now I have pasted my passphrase. So I'll go ahead and click on confirm your wallet. Okay. Now this will take me straight to my Pi browser. Okay, it says enable fingerprint. Your device support fingerprint authentication. Now if I want to enable fingerprint, I can just click on the confirm button. Then I will input my fingerprint in order to confirm the wallet, that is to execute the transaction. Now I have created, or rather I have confirmed my wallet. Now let's go to Pi browser. So this is my wallet. All right, now if you check this wallet address that is here and you go back to the Mainnet checklist, you discover that the wallets are the same. Okay, so that is also how you can confirm to know whether the recovery phrase you input is actually the recovery phrase of your Pi wallet. If the two wallets are not the same, then there is a mistake somewhere. In that case, you will have to look for where you copied or where you saved that your Pi wallet recovery phrase, or better still, if you didn't find it, you create a new one. So let's compare this wallet now. So let me go back to my Pi app. Now this is my Pi wallet, so it is the same. The two wallet addresses are the same, so I have no reason to panic. So this is how you can confirm your Pi wallet. Now let us take, for instance, you got your 24-word phrase, or maybe you are not sure of your 24-word phrase, and maybe while you try to paste it here, it brings out a message like this: invalid passphrase. Once you see this invalid passphrase, what it means is that the passphrase that you have input is wrong. In that case, you will have to cross-check very well, and that is the reason it is important for you to confirm your wallet before the migration takes place. That is, if you have not been migrated before, if your Pi coin has not been migrated. Okay, make sure that you confirm your wallet to make sure that once the migration goes on, you can be able to have access to your account. Now, this is how you can create a new wallet. Now, what is the reason? Why will you create a new wallet? There are two reasons that I'm going to give in this video. One is if you have lost your passphrase, your 24-word passphrase. If you have lost it, then there is no other option for you than to create a new wallet. Another reason that will make you to create a new wallet is if your wallet has been compromised. I explained this in the last video that I dropped in this channel about Pi. If your wallet has been compromised, what do I mean by being compromised? Maybe if someone have access or someone have accessed your wallet, okay, then you will have to change that particular wallet. If you discover, or if you are among those whose migrated token have been stolen, it means that your wallet has been compromised. Someone else have had access to your 24-word passphrase, which is your recovery phrase. Someone already has access to that, your account. In that case, you will need to create a new wallet so that during the second migration, the Pi team will now send your Pi coin to your newly created wallet. Now, this is the opportunity you have to create that wallet so that you will not lose the second batch of migration. You understand? Also, you should make sure that the email that you verified in your Pi mining app, that same email is still accessible, because once you are trying to confirm your wallet, an email will be sent to you in your email box. On the screen here is the email that you are going to get from Pi, telling you that you want to verify your migration wallet. So you go ahead and hit on this verify your migration wallet. I've done this before, so there is no need for me repeating it again. So you just click and hold on it, then you select the first option, which is open in browser. Select this option, then your wallet will be verified. Please take note of this so that you don't make mistake. Now, how do you create a new wallet? This is how to create a new wallet. First, you will have to click on this option here where we have create a new wallet here. Now, when you tap on it, it will say create your wallet. Do not press the back button until you finish the whole process. Okay? Now, you click on generate new wallet. Now, when you click on generate new wallet, a set of recovery phrase will be given to you, which is this particular one. Okay? Now, what you have to do is you click on this copy button. You get a pen and a paper. You write it down. Write out all these words. Okay? Write them down. Okay, now when you write this down, then you can store it, keep it in a place that is safe, where nobody can tamper with it or have access to it. Now it says your wallet is successfully created. Store your passphrase. It unlocks your wallet. It says it unlocks your wallet. Keep it secret. Okay, now if you want to check, when you come back following this same process, you just paste here that recovery phrase, the new recovery phrase that was given to you. Then you confirm the wallet and you have created your wallet. Okay. Now, for the meantime, the wallet may not appear here. Okay. For those who have asked me this question, for the meantime, the newly created wallet may not appear here, but with time, it is going to reflect here. But you just make sure that in your Pi browser that it is that wallet, newly created wallet, that is here. Okay, and do not just create the wallet without reconfirming it. Okay, you still go back to this Pi wallet, you click on confirm your Pi wallet, input that same 24 word passphrase, confirm the wallet. Now, when you click on confirm the wallet, it will now take you straight to your Pi browser, and in your Pi browser, you will see the newly created wallet here. The wallet address will be displayed here. Okay, guys, so I believe I have explained, I've answered the question that a lot of persons have asked me about creating this new wallet and confirming your old wallet. So once you create your wallet, just exercise patience. You're going to see it. It's going to reflect in your Pi Mainnet checklist. Now, here is another way for you to create a Pi wallet. Okay, now you will have to come to this Mainnet checklist. Then you go ahead and click on create a Pi wallet. Now this will launch you directly to your Pi browser. Then that same option that I just showed you earlier is still here. Okay, now it says that you can create a new wallet. Why? It says here, lost your passphrase, you can create a new wallet, but all your Pi in your previous wallet will be inaccessible. Please take note of this. Now, if you have some amount of Pi in your transferable balance, now if you create this new wallet during migration, those transferable will be moved into the new wallet that you just created. I hope this is clear and you are not confused. Now, if your Pi has not been migrated, maybe if you just started mining newly, you make sure, or even if you're an old miner, please, you ensure that you have completed all these Mainnet checklists. First, you make sure that you have downloaded Pi browser, you make sure that you have created a Pi wallet, make sure that you have confirmed that wallet. Now, make sure also that you have commit to lockup configuration. Make sure that you have secured your wallet, make sure that you have signed the acknowledgement, make sure that you have submitted your KYC and you have passed your KYC. Now, once all these things are done, then you do not have to complain. You just wait for the Pi team. When it is time for the migration, they are going to migrate your token from your transferable balance to your Pi wallet. Okay. Now, but if you have not completed any of these steps, it could be the reason, or it is the reason you have not been migrated yet. Okay, so please make sure that you complete all these. And if you have submitted your KYC and you are yet to be approved, then you still have to wait. Okay, you still have to wait. That is, if you have applied before now, then you still have to wait. If they approve your KYC, then you'll be among those that will be migrated in the subsequent migration season. If you are a new miner, that is, if you just started mining newly, you can only apply for your KYC if you have mined for 30 days. That is, if you have completed 30 mining sessions. Now, in this account, I have not mined for 30 sessions. So I will have to mine up to 30 sessions before I apply, or before this account owner applies for KYC. That is the rule. Now, if you try to apply for your KYC, maybe by clicking on this button, and it brings you to this KYC page. Let's wait for it to load. And it says, thanks for your interest in Pi KYC verification. Slots are not available at this time. Stay tuned. You will receive an invitation as soon as one becomes available. So you do not need to worry yourself so much. What it means is that, one, it could be because you have not mined for 30 sessions, or secondly, there is no KYC slots available at that point in time. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to keep on trying to apply. So guys, if you're still confused, if you do not get any part of this video, please, you do well to drop your question in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to be there to respond to your questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful in any way, please, you do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that once I drop updates like this in this channel, you get notified. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will tell you whenever I drop videos in this channel. Remember to like this video, and if possible, please share this video. Thank you once again. I hope to see you in my next video.